All right, hello everybody. Thanks for tuning back in to Totally Titus. What are you doing?
Nothing.
All right, we're gonna play Zoo Playground. You excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. I like Totally Titus.
Totally Titus.
Titus is gonna name, spell, and feed 20 new animals. All right, which one do you want to start with, Titus? What is that?
A zebra.
A zebra.
Can it eat grass?
It eats grass?
He ate it to his tummy.
He's still trying to feed it in his tummy, huh?
Yeah.
How do you spell zebra, Titus?
Z-E-B-R-A.
All right, good job.
Zebra. Bye, zebra.
See you later, zebra.
Okay, that's turn.
It's my turn? So you did the zebra. I want to do giraffe. I like the giraffe. Do you like giraffes?
Yeah.
Me too. It's tall, right? Look how long his neck is.
Yeah, he used to work out and
He just grows tall from a baby?
yeah, and he
Alright.
eat grass over there and
Oh.
yeah.
He likes to eat leaves and small branches, I guess?
Yeah.
He's got some really long legs. He's got a small tail though, huh? Alright, well, let's go ahead and spell giraffe, right?
Yeah, you spelled it.
Alright, y'all. Giraffe is G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe.
Yeah!
Alright. See you later, giraffe.
See you later.
Okay, which one are you going to pick now? You get to
the
pick this one? Oh, the big one?
Yeah.
What is that?
An elephant.
An elephant.
Elephant. He's big.
I like an elephant. Watch him.
Oh. He's really hungry, huh? Well, he really likes his leaves, huh? His branches and leaves.
Yep.
Makes him real happy. Oh, that's his trunk. That's his trunk. That's how he uses.
Yeah, and he put water.
Yeah, he shoots it out. You're right. Yeah. Okay, how do you spell elephant?
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
Good job.
Elephant. That's turn.
My turn. All right, let's say bye, elephant.
Bye, bye.
All right, so we did elephant, zebra, giraffe. I'm gonna do the monkey.
A monkey.
Ooh, what does he like?
Bananas.
Oh, he likes his bananas.
Watch him. He eat it to his stomach.
All right. Well, let's see. Let's see how we spell monkey. Okay, we're gonna spell monkey.
Yeah, he's
Yeah. Ooh, ah. Okay, here we go. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Yeah, he likes his bananas. It makes him
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's go to the last animal on this list. All right, what's the last one? Let's see. Ooh, he sounds strong.
A rhino.
A rhino. Oh, he makes a grunting noise. He eats grass too, huh? Everybody eats grass, except for the monkey.
Grass.
Yeah, he eats a lot.
I
Okay.
want to eat it.
You want to eat the rhino or the grass?
The grass.
Okay. Well, how do we spell rhino?
R-H-I-N-O.
All right, good job, Titus.
Okay, let's do the next one.
All right, let's do the next one. Let's say bye to the rhino. See you
Bye,
later,
rhino.
Whoa, they're in the snow?
Yeah.
Well, these are animals that live in the polar regions. All right, which animal do you want to start with? What is that? Whoa, it makes a deep
A
sound.
reindeer.
Oh, a reindeer.
A reindeer.
Yeah, let's see what he eats. It looks like he eats grass too, huh?
Yeah. Watch him.
Yeah, he likes his grass.
Yeah. And the snow. Shh.
All right, well, let's spell reindeer. It's my turn?
Yeah.
Okay, reindeer is spelled R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer. All right.
That's turn.
Nice meeting you, reindeer. See you later. All right, which one are you gonna pick? It's my turn. I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay.
Oh, it sounds like a squeaky
A
toy.
penguin.
Oh, a penguin. So
He
he
eats
eats
fish, like
fish.
him.
He eats fish like a bear, right?
Oh.
Yeah, he eats fish like a bear.
He eats this like he throw it in the boot. He throw it.
All right, how do you spell penguin?
P-E-N-G-U-I-N.
Good job, penguin.
Penguin!
All right,
Bye, penguin.
Bye, penguin. Okay, I'm gonna pick
An Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
Oh, look what he
eats
likes to
chicken.
eat. He likes chicken? Okay,
Yeah, press it.
let's see. All right, let's
Can
feed
he
him.
eat it?
Whoa.
He eat it on the snow. He go in the house and buy some chicken.
Okay. This is an Arctic fox. That's spelled ARCTICFOX. Arctic fox.
Who took the hole right there?
The people that made the game.
Yeah.
Yep, they're a little fishing hole.
They're used to pick as
Yeah, probably a pickaxe. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, Fox, see you later. It was nice meeting you. Okay,
My turn.
your turn.
This.
Ooh, what is that?
A seal.
A field.
A seal.
Fish.
Watch it. Whoa! He eats fish like a penguin?
I guess so. Makes him happy. There he goes.
Yum,
Oh,
yum, yum,
he's
yum.
like playing with it like it's a toy.
Yeah.
Oh, he's clapping. He's saying thank you. Okay, well, how do you spell seal, Titus?
S-E-A-L.
Good job. S-E-A-L. Seal. Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
What's the last one? This big guy, right?
A
Whoa.
polar bear.
Polar bear.
There you go.
Eat it.
Meat.
Oh, he likes meat.
Yum, 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 mum, 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 mum.
He likes any kind of
He
meat.
has spiked teeth.
Yeah, he has really sharp teeth, you're right.
Yeah, and he eats them with...
He can bite through anything, right?
yeah.
Okay, well, let's spell polar bear. Polar bear is spelled P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Polar bear. All right, polar bear. See you later. It was nice meeting you. Okay, let's go see some more animals. Oh, look at these animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are fun. Which one do you want to pick? These are farm animals. Ooh, that one. Oink,
A
oink.
pig.
Pig. Oh, he likes apples?
Yeah. I'm gonna feed him someone.
You can feed him some
An
apples?
apple.
That's scary?
No, I just said...
Okay.
and I scare him.
Okay, well, how do you spell
apple.
pig?
P-I-G.
P-I-G for pig. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next one. See you later, pig. My turn.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick this guy.
Okay. A dog.
That's a dog.
He eating this.
What is that?
A bone.
A bone.
Oh, he likes to eat
A
bones.
bone.
Oh, man.
He eat the bone and he broke it.
Yeah, he can break it. Bones are hard, though, right?
Yeah.
He has strong teeth.
Yeah.
Dog is spelled D-O-G. Dog.
Dog. I'm gonna say one more.
All right.
My
Nice to
turn.
meet you, dog.
Bye, dog.
What's
I'm
the
gonna
next?
pick a cat.
Oh, a cat?
Yeah.
A cat.
Cats live on the farm? Oh, he likes fish too?
Yeah.
A fish.
A fish. Cats like to eat fish, huh?
Yeah.
How do you spell cat?
C-A-T.
Good job, cat. All right, cat. I hope you enjoyed your fish. See you later. Have a good day on the farm.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we're gonna pick the. Ooh, he says moo. A cow eats grass, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, he loves his grass.
And he put in his stomach.
Put it in his stomach.
Rat.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how
eat
it makes milk, right?
Yeah.
All right. Cow is spelled C-O-W. Cow.
Yeah.
All right, Cow. See you later.
See you
Thanks.
later.
Thanks for stopping by. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm gonna pick the sheep. He like grass.
Grass.
Grass. So sheep likes grass?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you spell sheep?
S-H-E-E-P.
Sheep. All right. Good job. Nice meeting you, sheep.
Okay, bye.
Glad we could feed you some grass.
We're gonna do the next one.
Next animal. All right. Let's see what's next. Oh, look at these animals.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Which one do you want to do?
This.
A chicken.
Oh,
A chicken.
It eats a new kind of food. What is that?
Grain.
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 Oh, yeah. It comes off the ground. It eats the grain off the ground. Whoa, he's about to fly.
Don't. He can fly like.
He can fly a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
How do you spell chicken, Titus?
C-H-I-C-K-E-N. chicken.
All right, chicken. Nice meeting you, chicken.
Put back.
All right, what's the next animal, Titus?
That.
Oh, whoa, he
A
neighs.
horse.
Yeah, horse. What does the horse eat?
Grass.
Man, a lot of animals eat grass, right? Oh, he says no.
Grass.
There you go. All right, I think he's full. Let's go ahead and spell. How do you spell horse?
H-O-R-S-E.
Good job. See you later, horse. It was nice meeting you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, let's see this gray one.
A donkey.
A donkey.
Like he just.
Yeah, it looks like he eats grass too, Titus. You gonna feed it?
Grass.
Grass. He looks pretty hungry. There you go.
I
Okay,
think
Titus.
say no.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Donkey is spelled D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. It's nice meeting you, Donkey. See you later.
Bye bye. Now do the next one.
A rabbit?
Yeah.
A rabbit.
Oh, what does a rabbit like to eat?
Carrot?
Yeah, that's a carrot. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he likes his carrots. Look, it makes him all happy. That's an interesting noise.
He
it makes.
does.
Okay, how do you spell rabbit?
R-A-B-B-I-T.
R-A-B-B-I-T. Good job, Titus.
Yeah. See you later.
Okay, let's do the last animal.
Yeah.
What is that one? Let's see.
Dirt.
It's a goat.
A goat.
It's not a goat. It's a goat.
Goat.
It looks like he eats grass too. There you go, goat. Let's
Grass.
see. Yeah, he likes his grass.
You eat it fast. Look over there.
Grass.
Look.
What? You cheated. All right, goat is spelled G-O-A-T. All right.
Yeah.
Goat. Bye, goat. See you later. So we did all the animals. Good job.
Let's do another one.
You want to play a different game?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for helping us spell the 20 animals. Right? It was a lot of fun, Titus.
Yeah.
Please
Thanks
subscribe.
And some fun.
Please give us some thumbs up. Leave some comments, share,
Yeah.
and stay tuned. Right,
And you
Titus?
like my animals and some in the zone.
Yes, what he said.
Bye.